Hey everybody, it's Luke Krieger with Global Homes Group in Tuscaloosa, Alabama. We're here to show you one of our listings that we have in the Northriver Yacht Club subdivision. We've got some upgrades that have been done to this house. It is over 4,000 square feet and now has brand new hardwood in the entire lower level of the home. So let's go inside and get a sneak peek of what's been done in here. So, as you can see, this house is absolutely gorgeous and it is ready for its next owner. So, don't you want to live on this beautiful golf course and have this great yard and all these beautiful brand new floors? This house could be yours. Give us a call at 205-861-0555, or if you want to look up some more information online, you can go to theglobalhomesgroup.com and there will be more information there for you. Look forward to seeing you and give us a call if you want this house to be yours.